Okay, I just wanted to show real quick, this time real quick, because I recorded this like 7 times and it was all like over like 10 minutes. I just wanted to show what I've done. Okay, so now that I have it here, I'll show this first. In order to add a run script or a run function to what's it called again? Character movement fundamentals, which you buy for like $30 in the asset store. I had to add this guy. I put that there so I knew it is run key pressed. And when you do that, I think there's the joystick input. You have to add that to this, which is really no, character input. I had to add that method to one of these as well because they're all inherited from this. So when you go back to scripts, go to controller, go to advanced, which I have open right here. There's controller. Don't need that. Advanced, I had to go through and add this right here to get run working. I know there's a better way to do this. I just did it to just make it work for now. I will fix that. And so I also added a pickup. It's like if you pick up an item, it tells the manager to pick up item, which the game manager is on the player while it's walking around, and so this handles that. But it goes and it checks, makes sure there's a manager on the player, and then if it is, it tells it to pick up item and then destroy the object you picked up. And then what happens there is pick up item. I'm not using this object yet, but it adds the item count and then it plays a sound because it doesn't have to destroy it. The pickup did. So all that said, as quick as possible, I also let's get to this guy. I added a item that you pick up and it has a trigger and a sound. So the sound you're looking for in the map while you're running around to point you to it. It has a point light to kind of illuminate around it, and it has a particle system to make it look kind of spiffy. And then, so in the walk, thanks to this other edition I got, it's a 20 ground material set. And then, nope, sorry. It's under audio. Game Master Audio got footsteps that I added. So I have footsteps. You go down to past audio source, audio control. It comes with two, but you can adjust it, which is really cool. And so I added 4 different footsteps and then a different kind of land. And what I'm most proud of is a flashlight. I added a flashlight to this that you can turn on and off. It's toggleable. And it uses a sound. So it sounds like this. You'll hear it in game. And that's pretty much it. There's other stuff too, I guess. Like, I don't know. Like, oh yeah, the flashlight added a what's called a cookie, which projects a texture for the light, and so that's why it looks like it does versus just a regular light. But here, let me go and show you. So, particle systems. Here's supposed to be like a false one. And you can push this around. Blah blah blah. I have it set to local right now, so you can see the particles are kind of weird, right? So they come up, but then you knock it over. Watch what happens. Boop, they move with it. That makes no sense. So you have to set those to world. But you can hear it now. This is the item, and then when you pick it up, I have it set to do that. So there's that. Let me go real quick to the cube item. No. No. Sorry, wrong one. Cube item. Particle system and go to world. Run it again. So now that I've set it to world, it should really do something different. Oh, and I also have it set so that like when you would go in game, it restricts the cursor so it never comes outside the screen. So if I hit escape right now, it unlocks it, and you'll see it's right in the center. Now, if you're in the editor and you go to lock it, you have to click to lock it. Otherwise, it still goes flying around everywhere. It's just something to do with the editor. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, yeah, here we go. And we're at this again. Now, if I hit this time, it acts like it's supposed to. Look, it just goes and does this thing. Yeah, see, it's much better. And that's what I've done. Right now, I'm trying to work on learning the UI system so I can get like a heads-up display and all that crap. But that's what I've done so far. I got this, got a point light, particle system, a bunch of walls for no reason. This with the particle system. Also, there's a texture on it that glows. This one I made transparent. It's like you can see through it and stuff like that. That's it. Yeah, that's just what I've been working on. Cool. Bye.